Hello Saxo friends, Kadrian here, the Sax Habit Coach. Welcome to Tech Tuesday. Now, you may be looking for an affordable microphone to use to enhance your saxophone recordings without breaking the bank, of course. Now, you may just be starting out with tech and you are not so familiar with using a DAW or an audio interface, and you just want to use your phone to record your sax videos and to make the sound quality better than using the built-in microphone on your phone. Well, I've got you covered because you can grab a Boya MM1 shotgun microphone on Amazon. Now, it comes with a few accessories. You get the microphone, a shock mount, a dead cat windscreen, and two cables. One cable is to be used with your Android or iOS device, and the other cable is to be used with a camcorder or DSLR camera. It's small and compact and very lightweight. The microphone comes in at a very low price of under $30 on Amazon at the time of making this video. So if you are interested in grabbing one of these microphones, be sure to grab the link that I've provided in the description below. As always, guys, push play until something happens. Peace.